Want to make your Squarespace site more engaging? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add buttons to your website in just a few steps. First, log into your Squarespace account. Click Log In, then select your website from the dashboard. Next, click Edit to enter your site editor. Now go to the page or section where you want your button to appear. Hover over the area and click Add Block. From the block menu, choose Button. A new button will instantly appear on your page. Click the pencil icon to edit it. You can change the button text, add a link to any page, product, or even an external site, and adjust its alignment. For style, head to Design Settings where you can tweak the size, shape, and color to match your branding. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save or Publish to make it live. And that's it. You've successfully added a button to your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching.